So let's cook. There you go. It's an egg on low fire. It's the egg quite fast that I had to put on the pan. Let it really cook for a few seconds on very, very low temperature until when you see that it has really set, then add the yolk. It shouldn't overcook. So here I'm very, very careful to see that all the proteins are locked in there without overcooking our yolk, the egg yolk. So let me fold it up. In such it keeps the moisture and less heat to reach the yolk. And there we go, folks. The underside is really cooked. So I'm trying to turn the egg onto the top side. There we go. So while I'm cooking the top side of the egg, I'm making sure it doesn't also overcook, and it's on very low temperature. The secret here is the taste of what brings this egg to the plate. It's untouched, it's unexplainable, really. And when you try to prepare an egg in such a form, you get the best results really possible. It's a tremendous kind of taste. The taste is very different. You should try this. It's up to everyone to try and see what really works and what really doesn't work. But in this case, this egg that is prepared in such a way is really mouth-watering and full with ingredients. We could not stop eating these eggs. So our egg is still cooking. Remember, it's almost 3 minutes in on very low temperature. It doesn't have to take so long. I can even flip it. Yay! Enjoy the experience. I want you to subscribe now. Share this video. Learn how to cook with me. I'll be sharing some more. There it goes on the plate. And now, this is the moment. We have to test this. We have to test our egg, okay? Let me get the forks and the knives. There we go. I'm ready to dig in. The knife on the right, yes, and the fork has to be in the left hand. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You see that yellow? It's runny, not runny. It's cooked, not so cooked. I love it. I love it. Oh, delicious. Look at this. Oh, yummy. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Share this.